Hi, this is Evan from EvanTubeRAW, and today we are going to finish up our chocolate eggs, the Spider-Man Choco Treasures. In our last video, we opened 6, and we got Sandman, Spider-Man Cycle, and Spider-Man himself, and the lizard. Now let's see what, hopefully we get a toy, which will probably not happen, but so here are the eggs. So let's get them opened. This is gram 2. Let's see what's inside. What? It is a chocolate egg, and when we open it, there's an egg. So the question is, are these chocolate eggs worth it or not? How do I open this again? These are still child-proof. A nut. Oh, it's a puzzle. We got something new, finally. It's a puzzle. Wow. So here we have the completed Spider-Man puzzle. Okay, Choco Treasures. Choco Treasures! We got a figure! Awesome! We got a first figurine! So we have like a baby Spider-Man figure. It's better than one of those puzzles. You don't have to put anything together. You just get a figure. And there's no small pieces. I'm not breaking it. Another baby Spider-Man. They're both doing the yippee pose. No, I think I'm getting tired of these figures. Now I have 3. Now I think I'll give this one to my mom. It's like a trio of singers. 2 more eggs left. So, what's it gonna be? Another little baby or another figure? So here we have. Yesterday we only got puzzles, and this time we get these guys. Now we have a quartet. It's gonna be a Spider-Man, or is it gonna be a puzzle or something awesome, or like a different figure? This one better be good. It better be good. A Spider-Man puzzle. Now we have this big bowl of chocolate. Now I think we're gonna make some s'mores with it. Okay, we're gonna make some s'mores from our Spider-Man chocolate eggs. And these are the ingredients you need. You need marshmallows. You also need graham crackers. And we have our chocolate egg pieces. First you have to put down the graham crackers and then the chocolate. Usually you would roast your marshmallow on fire, but since it's in our house, we're gonna microwave it. Hopefully it doesn't explode. A little messy, but delicious.